Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can change your destination in Cebu Pacific. Now, here is the real thing about it. You cannot really directly change your destination on Cebu Pacific ticket. So with Cebu Pacific, flight changes are limited to date and time only, not the route itself. So for example, your destination change I mean, your destination, you book Manila to Cebu or you book Manila to Davao, that's considered a different route. So the system won't allow it. Now, what you can do instead is for option one, you can convert to travel fund, and that the best option if eligible. So if your booking has Cebu Flexi, you can go Flexi. You just have to go to manage your bookings, so you can go here to your bookings and tap on the manage booking, and then just have to cancel your flight and convert it into a travel fund and use that fund to book a new flight with the correct destination. This one is the safest way to not lose your money. Okay. And for option two, you have to book manually with penalty. So if you don't have flexi, you may cancel and get a partial value. Depends on fare rules and fees, and fare difference will apply. Or you can book a new flight. So if your ticket is cheap or non-refundable, then sometimes it is not cheaper to just buy a new ticket, especially if there are promos. So you have to take note of that you cannot really change your flight destination here in Cebu Pacific. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.